Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you a simple way how we can easily change the contact email in Shopify. So let's start. The first thing we want to do is go left down corner to settings and then just click here general. And now you're gonna see here store details and you're gonna see contact mail here. And you can like simply change it to whatever you want. And you can also change the sender email here. And that's pretty much it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, goodbye.